This creamy and delicious vegan mac and cheese offers a plant-based twist on the classic comfort food, featuring a rich cashew-based cheese sauce that's both satisfying and dairy-free. Ingredients: 12 ounces elbow macaroni pasta, 1.5 cups raw cashews, 2 cups water or less if not using vegan cheese, 3 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, half a cup nutritional yeast, a quarter teaspoon turmeric, half a teaspoon garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoons salt, 1 7-ounce bag shredded vegan cheddar. Cheese, optional. Preparation instructions. Cook the elbow macaroni according to package instructions until al dente. Drain and set aside. Cook the elbow macaroni according to package instructions until al dente. Drain and set aside. In a high-speed blender, combine the raw cashews, water, lemon juice, nutritional yeast, turmeric, garlic powder, and salt. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour the cashew cheese sauce into a saucepan over medium heat. If using, stir in the shredded vegan cheddar cheese until melted and the sauce is well combined. Add the cooked macaroni to the sauce, stirring to ensure all pasta is evenly coated. Serve warm, optionally topped with breadcrumbs or fresh herbs for added texture and flavor.